What's up, everybody? Sarah here. You know, oh. I'm here for a quick 3-minute design journey taking you from Figma to Webflow in 3 minutes. I mean, the real process takes longer, but it doesn't matter. Okay, all right. I feel like this is getting worse, but it's fine. Okay, let's go. So you've got your Figma file open. Now you need it side by side with your Webflow file, or in one screen or the other, dual screen. That's helpful too, but okay. Yeah. Now you have Webflow open. Pretend this isn't here. You don't see this, but this is how I got it in Webflow. First thing you want to do when it's side by side is build out your Webflow structure. Before you start exporting anything out of Webflow, if this is a project that you are controlling from Figma to Webflow and you're doing all the heavy lifting, just build out your structure. The beauty of having Figma and Webflow up side by side is you're able to build out your entire structure in terms of classes and what all you need to reuse. Now, I will say, depending on how heavy the site is, you might want to start with a style guide first. This was just one landing page, remember? So if it's only one page, I don't feel like it's necessary to have a style guide. If this is the start to something more, a style guide is going to be your best friend. Why? You can make all of the classes, have a one-stop shop to make all of your changes, build out your elements, build out these buttons and this button and this form field and your footer and your header and all of the things. And you only want to have to do that one time. So a style guide will be the best starting point to do that. You can make all of your headings and classes, everything fit together. Structure. Structure is the first thing. All the pictures. Export all of those. Upload them to Tiny PNG or a similar product. Not a sponsor, Tiny PNG. But upload all of those, shrink them down, and then drop them over in Webflow. In your images, upload them all here. Make sure you are giving them some sort of text. These are descriptive. Or decorative. Decorative is what I mean. These are decorative, so make them decorative. If they're descriptive, give them a description. You want everything to be accessible. This will help with SEO, and it's just really best practice. That's step 2. Whatever is here, you can copy and paste this text and paste it over in Webflow. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Add in all of your content, and now you have your build done in Webflow. See? Easy. Hook up any data structure you might need behind the scenes that will, of course, take a little bit longer. But that is my process in going from Figma to Webflow. Structure, images, content. Hopefully this helps you. If it does, let me know which part resonated with you, leaving a nice little timestamp in the comments below. If I need to know some tips or something that I didn't cover, be sure to drop that in the comments as well. And you can always catch me on these little 3-minute design journeys or podcast journeys, product journeys, no-code journeys, or just on Twitter. Be sure to hit subscribe. I am always wanting more subscribers. And until next time, bye.